Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome to Turkish Language Academy. Our today's lesson is about a Turkish word, Kolayca. The word type of Kolayca is adverb, and its English meaning is easily or with ease. What does Kolayca mean? Kolayca is the adverbial form of kolay, which means easy, and it means in an easy way or simply easily. In Turkish, many adverbs are found by adding ja or j to adjectives. For example, kolay, which means easy, becomes kolayca, meaning easily. Açık means clear, and it becomes açıkça. Açık becomes açıkça, which means clearly. Hızlı means fast. Hızlı means fast, and it becomes hızlıca. Hızlıca, which means quickly. Pronunciation of Kolayca is Kolayca. Kolayca. Kolayca. Stress falls on the second syllable, like this. Kolayca. Word breakdown. Kolay is an adjective and it means easy. Ja is an adverbial suffix and it means in the manner of. So kolayca means in an easy manner. Example sentences. Bu problemi kolayca çözebilirim. Bu problemi kolayca çözebilirim. I can solve this problem easily. O yeni dilleri kolayca öğreniyor. O yeni dilleri kolayca öğreniyor. O yeni dilleri kolayca öğreniyor. He or she learns new languages easily. Bu yemek tarifini herkes kolayca yapabilir. Bu yemek tarifini herkes kolayca yapabilir. Bu yemek tarifini herkes kolayca yapabilir. Anyone can easily make this recipe. Sınavı kolayca geçtin mi? Sınavı kolayca geçtin mi? Did you pass the exam easily? İşi kolayca hallettik. İşi kolayca hallettik. We handled the task easily. Kolay versus kolayca. Kolay is an adjective and it means easy. For example, bu soru kolay. Bu soru kolay. This question is easy. Kolayca is an adverb and it means easily. For example, bu soruyu kolayca çözdüm. Bu soruyu kolayca çözdüm. I solved this question easily. Synonym of kolayca. Kolaylıkla. Kolaylıkla. Kolaylıkla also means easily, but emphasizes with no difficulty at all. For example, bu işi kolaylıkla bitirebiliriz. Bu işi kolaylıkla bitirebiliriz. Bu işi kolaylıkla bitirebiliriz. We can finish this task with ease. Mini practice. Fill in the blanks with kolayca or kolay. Bu kitap çok. The answer is bu kitap çok kolay. Bu kitabı okuyabilirim. The correct answer is bu kitabı kolayca okuyabilirim. That's it for today.
I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.